Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your WhatsApp username more private and stop random people from contacting you. Like, if you have updated WhatsApp recently, you may have noticed the brand new username feature. This will let you to create a unique username for your account, so in the future you won't have to share your phone number you every every time you want to add someone on WhatsApp. It's a great privacy feature that will help keep your phone number hidden. However, there's one thing you should know. If your username is set to be visible to everyone, there's a chance that random people could find your account and then maybe they will send you unwanted messages or spam chats. But thankfully, WhatsApp also gives you a privacy settings to control who can contact you by your username. And here's how to set it up. First, just tap on the settings by tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and then just tap on settings like this. And then in here, just go to account. And then next, just go to username menu, this one. And then in here you will find the options that called contact me by username. Just tap on it, and then in here you will see two choices. The first option is everyone, this one. If you choose this, anyone who knows your username can contact you easily. But if you want better privacy, just select the people who know my key, this one. When you enable these options, WhatsApp will generate a unique key for your account. This one, like on my case, like this, I already have a unique key or username key, this one. And with these options, only people who have both username and your unique key will be able to contact you through your username. This will make it much harder to strangers to randomly find your account or send spam messages. So if you want to keep your WhatsApp more private while still enjoying the new username feature, this is definitely the settings you should use. And okay, that's it. Your username is now much more secure and you can share it with confidence without worrying about random people contacting you. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.